Shafin, CEO of Victory Square Technologies. Victory Square is a venture studio focused on investing in the best and brightest entrepreneurs and innovations from around the world. We provide venture capital investment access to the fourth industrial revolution in an audited, transparent, and liquid investment vehicle. In line with transparency, in today's video, we're going to discuss our private portfolio of investments in the digital health space, specifically highlighting 3 of our investments in telehealth and at-home testing. First, I'll discuss Victory Square Digital Health, which provides a white-labeled virtual care platform and nationwide clinician network to customers, including other digital health startups, bricks and mortar clinics, retailers, and pharmacies. Second, I'll discuss our investment, IV Hydreight, which is focused on providing nurses in the United States with a turnkey platform to participate in the practice of mobile medicine throughout all 50 states. And third, I'll discuss how another one of our investments, Test Diagnosticos, is competitively positioned to be a market leader in at-home diagnostic testing in Brazil. But first, why digital health? The pandemic has not only accelerated technology innovation and adoption in healthcare, but it has also exposed many weaknesses and areas of improvement. Telehealth is no longer considered a luxury, but an integral part of a healthcare strategy. Remote healthcare is here to stay, and healthcare practitioners need to invest in the proper technology to remain relevant in an ever-evolving virtual care world. This includes ensuring that patients have the same quality visits in a virtual setting as they would in a doctor's office. Customers have been seeking a more personalized healthcare experience, and now with the explosive growth and familiarity with telehealth, at-home testing, and wearables, it has become increasingly simple to monitor a patient's health in the comfort of their own home. At Victory Square, we're focused on technology that enables healthcare professionals to provide better patient support while improving the delivery, safety, cost-effectiveness, and efficiency of healthcare. Victory Square Digital Health provides a white-labeled virtual care platform and nationwide clinician network to customers, including other digital health startups, bricks and mortar clinics, retailers, and pharmacies, as an alternative to the considerable time and money organizations might otherwise invest in creating their own virtual care service, which can sometimes cost them between $250,000 and $500,000. Clients have referred to our Victory Square Digital Health platform as the Shopify for healthcare. A number of factors make virtual care a priority right now, including the pandemic, but there are other overreaching reasons for why virtual care has become a necessity. The shrinking pool of clinicians, many of whom are burned out or even leaving their profession, won't be able to scale to the growing demand for patient care. Virtual first care models allow clinicians to be more efficient with their time by leaning on technology to easily triage patients and their care needs. The future of healthcare is hybrid, and so the future of the clinician workforce is also hybrid. Victory Square Digital Health is enabling that journey and ensuring that the clinician is supported along the way. The focus for Victory Square Digital in 2022 is to ramp up sales and marketing to provide their full suite of mobile digital health solutions and telemedicine platform to surgery centers, skilled nurses, home care agencies, and hospice care. Speaking of skilled nurses, in just a few years, our wholly owned portfolio company, IV Hydreight, has quickly become an industry leader in providing the 4.2 million nurses in the United States with a turnkey platform to participate in the practice of mobile medicine throughout all 50 states. In order for a nurse to be able to offer services outside of a clinic or hospital, they need to have a medical director, the technology, and proper licenses. Hydrate has built an all-in-one solution for nurses, including a white-labeled platform, which includes a medical director, a pharmacy, and all the required licenses, so they can start their own mobile health and wellness service overnight. In 2022, Hydrate is on track for $25 million in top-line revenue and $5 million in EBITDA, and is expecting to double these numbers in 2023. North America is the largest region in the global digital health market, accounting for about 40% of the total $250 billion global market last year. And with a compound annual growth rate of 26%, the market is expected to reach just under $600 billion in 2026. Both Victory Square and Hydrate are poised to carve their share of this market. After North America, one of the fastest growing regions of the digital health market is South America, with a compound annual growth rate of 20%. While Victory Square Digital Health and Hydrate give Victory Square an anchor in the North American market, we also have a first mover advantage in South America with our portfolio company, Test Diagnosticos. We initially heard about the entrepreneur Felipe Pixoto in 2017. At the time, he was running a small company called Test Diagnosticos in the southeastern corner of Brazil. He spent his days developing tools to detect infectious tropical diseases endemic to the region, including Zika, dengue, and yellow fever. But to us, Felipe was already living in the future, and founders who live in the future have the best chance of winning big. We knew the world would one day come calling for personalized diagnostic technologies like the one Test was developing. So we invested. That moment arrived sooner than we even anticipated. As the coronavirus spread across the globe in 2020, Test quickly built an affordable 15-minute rapid test for COVID-19. Rapid tests have become a critical weapon to fighting the disease. And Test has leveraged this momentum to cement their first mover advantage to become a digital health leader in Brazil. They already have a roster of approved diagnostic tests and established relationships with government regulators, hospitals, medical professionals, distributors, and retailers. The Brazilian diagnostic service market is over $15 billion alone. The country's clinical laboratories market is fragmented with more than 22,000 labs spread across Brazil. Test is poised to be a leader as it expands its telehealth product offerings in Brazil, including on-demand physicians, prescription services, cosmetic services, in-home consultations, and at-home diagnostic testing services, amongst others. To recap, we've discussed three investments that we have in the telehealth and at-home testing space. Victory Square Digital Health, Hydrate, and Test each have strategic advantages over their peers and are rapidly beginning to add significant value to the overall private investment portfolio of Victory Square, and thus the shares of Victory Square Technologies. We strongly believe these companies are primed to have great years ahead of them and look forward to keeping you informed on their progress. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video, and please stay tuned for our next NAV release at the end of April. Looking forward to sharing more exciting Victory Square updates with you. Happy investing.